this is me, and this is my cat. I decided to videotape my cat because he was like in a really cute position. See? He's trying to sleep. It's like daytime, but he wants to sleep. It's like, that's him. His name is Lucky. Say hi. Oh, now he wants to kill me. Now he wants to play with me. He's a kitten. He's like 1 year old or something. Probably less. And yeah. Yeah. His feet. This is a cat feet. It's a cat foot. So, Lucky. Yeah. He's sleeping in the chair. By the way, the reason why it's black on the side is because it's a rug. It's a red rug, and so it looks black. Where'd the cattail go? Lucky, say hi. Lucky, the camera loves you. Lucky, you're like a fashion model. Lucky, you're a fashion model. Say, yay, I'm a celebrity. Okay, bye.